everyone, my name is Archana and today I'm here in front of you to give a presentation on a demonstration of Qs6019 schedule of quantity assignment 2. Question number 4, demonstration of a major quantity of trade item. So my selected trade is floor finishes and skirting. So here, first of all, I will open the Qs software and then I will create a project. The project name as ACTS building at Auckland, building code as AS8240143, and the project as default project, and the building type as mixed use, and the base unit of measurement as meter. And I insert the project and I start inserting the drawing from the given annexes 1, that is architectural and structural drawing. So there were altogether 12 drawing, but because of my license is student license, so I can only import maximum 8 drawing. So I import the most important drawing that will be needed for me to take off the quantity for the floor finishes and skirting. So I named the annexes in 3 different categories, like elevation, floor plan, structural drawing. So under elevation, I put elevation 1 and 2, and section x-axis and y, and the floor plan such as basement to rooftop, ground floor, first floor, and second to sixth floor. And for the structural, I use the door and window schedule, foundation plan, and typical column and pile work. And after importing the drawing, I calibrate the drawing so that I don't need to worry in the future about the measurements. So I take the known measurement, like I know the measurement of this is 7420 mm. So I calibrate from the x-axis and I measure the quantity as 7204, and I measure the distance from the tool measure distance. And I do the same for the y-axis. I measure the distance of the y-axis and I measure with the measurement distance. I do this for every drawing. So after calibrating, I move towards the dimensions. So before creating the dimensional group, we need to know a little bit about ANZ/SMM, so that we don't need to worry about this unit of measurement. So I have so for the floor finishes, there are 3 main trades. The chain number 26, that is floor finishes. So the applied finishes. So we can see for the wall and ceiling, we can use the meter square from here. And I have selected another trade section, that is 27, tiling, slab, and paving. So this is so in here also wall and ceilings are measured in meter square. And I have selected the next section, that is 28, carpet and resilient finishes. So it is also measured in meter square. So for the skirting, I have used the section 20, that is carpentry. So the carpentry is measured in meter, so I have used it as a meter. So after knowing the unit of measurement, I created the folder using different types of name, like floor finishes and skirting. And under the floor finishes, I use the basement floor, ground floor, first floor, second and third floor. So I know I use different types of material in this floor using the annexes tool. So I can see from the annexes tool, the basement top area, the flooring is used as epoxy painting or cement mortar. So I have used the flooring from here. And And same with the skirting, I have used the like metal strip, tile finishing, hard wooden skirting, soft wooden skirting, and so on. And same with the floor finishes like epoxy painting, resin sealer, magic stone gray, and so on. So the most important thing is I measure the wall as area, so I do it from the point mode. And for the skirting, I measure the wall. So for the skirting, I measure the wall in meter. I measure wall to wall, but I deducted the size of the door because I don't need to worry about the skirting in the door. So after completing all the dimensional group, dimensional group and the drawing, like calibration, I will move towards the workbook. So for the workbook, I added a new workbook and name it as a price CSQ. So I start importing I just drag everything from here and then start putting everything on the workbook. So for the basement floor, I write all the name of the material that is used in the basement floor, and from the measurement I can note the shop area is 49 meters square. So for the shop area, I have used as we have like 3 annexes. As you know, the shop area is epoxy painting or cement mortar, so I have used my third annexes. So in the third annexes, we can see the epoxy painting. We can see one link from here. So I click to the link and I know the quantity and the size and the price from here. So I calculate everything from here, and I have also added the material, plant, and labor cost, as well as overhead and profit cost in here. So I calculate it as $11.39 per meter square, and I multiply the quantity with rate, and I find my subtotal and total from here. So I have done everything same like this. I have calculated some rate from annexes and some from the online websites. So I think this is pretty much everything. So thank you.